The good news about subtracting positive and negative numbers is what we're going to do is change it to an addition problem, and you don't have to learn anything new. As long as you know how to add positive and negative numbers, then you'll be set. So we've got several here to show you exactly what to do and practice this a little bit. What you want to do by just change the subtraction problem to addition is to add the opposite. And I'm going to write that up here because you have to remember to do that. Add the opposite, which means you need to change two things. We're going to change the subtraction problem to addition. There's one change. And the number after it, we're going to take the opposite sign. So it should be two actions that you're going to do. So here's what it would look like. If we're doing 5 minus 12, we're going to add the opposite. So we're going to make this plus a negative 12. Make sure you change the two things there. Now it's just an addition problem that you're going to do using the normal rules for adding positives and negatives. So positive 5 plus negative 12, since the signs are different, we take the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 12, so we know our answer will be negative. And then in your head, you're thinking 12 minus 5 is 7, so our answer is negative 7. The next one is 24 minus 7. Now, yes, this is the same 24 minus 7 that you learned in earlier grades. But we can do the same thing and still get the same answer. So we're going to keep adding the opposite. 24 plus negative 7. We've got our addition problem now. The signs are different in this case. So in that case, you look for the sign of the bigger number. That's the 24. So our answer will be positive. And in your head, you're doing 24 minus 7 to get your answer of 17. So it still works, even for all the other subtraction problems that you learned before. It's not something new. We'll keep going to this next one. Negative 12 minus a negative 30. We're going to add the opposite. So this becomes plus, and the negative 30 becomes positive, because we changed both of those signs. Now we're adding negative 12 plus a positive 30. Our signs are different again, so we take the sign of the bigger number. That would be 30. That means our answer will be positive. And in your head, you're thinking, what's 30 minus 12? That's 18. So our answer is positive 18. And the last one, same thing. It's a minus subtraction problem. So we're going to add the opposite. Now it's negative 8 plus negative 14. This time the signs are the same. So our answer will be the sign of both of the numbers. So they're both negative. That means our answer is negative. And in our head, we're just adding 8 plus 14 is 22. So our answer is negative 22. So whenever you run across subtraction problems here, especially if they have negative signs, you're going to want to make sure you remember this. Add the opposite. And make sure you change two things. The subtraction changes to addition, and the second number changes signs.